simple to study the genes and their structure and their functions. To study and to what can I say, to identify the structure and the functions of genes. This study is called genomics. Well, first it is introduced by the scientist as H. Winkler in 1920. They just denote the term. After that, the scientist having the Thomas Frederick, he given the whole concept in 1986. Okay, in 1986, where the term given by Thomas Roderick. So what it contains? Well, the study of genes, their structure, their function, how it's going to be act morphologically, genotypically, so functions कौन से है, which are the function is provided. So it is having your analysis of genes, mapping and sequencing. So analyze करना, mapping करना और उसका sequencing करना. Then it is defined and they classified into two ways. That is, one is your structural genomics, one is your functional genomics. As the name indicates, structural genomics, it consists the study of total genes, its structure, its morphological characters. And if you say about the functional genomics, as the name indicates, the functions of genes, which function the genes are provided. Then see your human genome project. After what the US and UK and these all countries, they are what can say, found a body and give a body specially work to them. So this is your, now what can I say, the body is your HUGO, that's the International Administration Human Genome Organizations, and the first given by the US, United States of America. After that, the major countries are concerned with them. That's India, Japan, France, America, and China are there. The main part of this here is your the Department of Energy and National Institute of Health of US. They having a major part, they having a major contribution with this theory of the genomics, study the genes, functions and their structure. So there are often quite applications. Which applications are? The genomics are used in the agriculture to develop the new plants. Then they mention the data, whole analysis are there, and it's used in forensic analysis. जो CID में use करते हैं crimes के लिए, they are using forensic analysis to store the information like a DNA. Well, it is a what is constituted? It's a constitution of an organism of a DNA. एक organism का पूरा DNA जो आता है, whole constitution of DNA is a part of genomics. So when they study the genes and the functions are there, used in agriculture, your forensic analysis, you are to develop the new microbes with the help of the DNA informations are there, whatever the information are collected. Now the analysis of data to determine the tools and new techniques are there, store the all information regarding this, and it is perform quite objects, that is your mapping the entire human genome at the level of nucleotide sequence, then to store the information from collected data. Third is your to develop the tools and technique for analysis, as I have told you here. And the human genome पूरा closely associated with the bioinformatics. उन्होंने कुछ certain, they are taking certain bacteria जो E. coli, your what can I say, it's Drosophila, the yeast, fruit fly. They are taking some bacteria, some plants to study them, to identify the gene, because the human genes and this type of animal genes, they are correlated to study. So that's why they are taking this. You can say the mouse is there, mouse, Drosophila. What can I say, the plants, rice, yeast are there to taking the study, to perform the experiments on there. The human genome process wants to provide complete and accurate. Several organisms are there. 33,000 genes are elaborated with this type of study. So this is all about genomics. Let me conclude once again. I just going to recall it. Genomics to study the genes, their structure and their फंक्शन. उसके बाद कौन कौन सी बॉडी उसमें आती है, तो साइंटिस्ट है 1986 में उन्होंने थॉमस रॉडरिक ने उसको कॉइन किया, इंट्रोड्यूस किसने किया, एच विंकलर 1920 को. देन द स्टडी स्टार्टिंग इन द 1990 टू बिगन एंड इज एड टू 2003 में उसका स्टडी वो कंप्लीट हो गया. उसके बाद फॉर एप्लीकेशंस को दे आर यूजिंग एग्रीकल्चर, दे आर यूजिंग फॉरेंसिक एनालिसिस, दे आर यूजिंग फॉर एनालिसिस ऑफ डाटा, मैपिंग, सीक्वेंसिंग, to store the information, to collect the data analysis, to study the organism of whole DNA. एक organism का पूरा DNA उसको study करना, constitution करना उसका, and the point are the functions are there, the body are there, the US, United America, United States, United Kingdom, France, India, Japan, they are main the partition in that. Then they grow the body of the Department of the Energy and the Health, National Health Institute. They are taking the charge of it, and the study is going to be not more than 13 years. 1990 to 2003 study going to be in 13 hours. So okay, so this is all about genes and the human genome projects. Thank you so much.